Bravo. Keep it up.
I want some more action. Who's next? You got a little more fight in you, Kestis? On it! I'm set!
Oh, please. Thanks, buddy.
C-95. Nice.
That one's all yours, Bode. I had a hunch this might be a hot exit. See you both in the air.
Ready?
It's been a great first date and all, but I still haven't gotten paid. Okay, Beacon.
Grab the other on the Mantis. When things cool off, come and find me. We'll settle up.
Yeah, sure, I can trust you.
You saw the intel. A lot more work to be done.
Looks like I made the cut, huh, BD?
Bode? May the Force be with you.
You're a great fighter, Cal. Let's see how well you fly.
How we looking, BD? So, whatever it is, I'll have to wait until we get someplace safe.
No traffic. Looks like this portal's under maintenance.
As soon as we reach the surface, jump to light speed.
Gotta take the risk. We've already overstayed our welcome. Got company.
On my mark, hit the brakes. We'll drop behind it.
Copy that, Bravo.
Nice work, everyone.
Hope that's the last of them. Had a fan along the goodbyes.
More coming. I'll peel off. Draw a few away.
Thanks, Bode. Good luck.
You too, Cal. See you soon.
Can't shake them.
Hold on.
That's one way to do it.
Learn that move from you. Here's our exit. We're almost there.
All coming in from the surface.
Under our tail. We're trapped.
Shields down. We're almost. Ah!
Took some hits back there. Mind running diagnostics while I transmit the intel? Sent it. Let's hope this information does some good.
war won't be won soon. Or by us alone.
The galaxy is vast, Troy. And I have seen only a little of what it has to offer. But one day, I will return to Dathomir and whisper what I have learned to my sleeping sisters. They were not invited.
You know, it's not often I break out an old family recipe like this. Well, what do you think? There.
It's good. Could use some more salt.
Too much salt is bad for you. It's wonderful, Breeze. I actually pay credits for this. Oh yeah? Hey, I might start charging you, Cal. Hey, does anybody else smell something burning?
Gyro's failing. Need that. Any ports nearby that won't turn us in for a reward? Yeah. Pull up the Cobra system. That's where you settled down. Out in the middle of nowhere. Could be a good place to lay low. If anyone knows how to fix up the Mantis, it's Grease Stridus. Think we can make it? We should tidy up before we visit Grease. You know how he is about mess. Let's get this back on the workbench. Great time to change up our equipment. This one's interesting. How does that look? Let's test the weight balance.
We're almost there. Let's head up to the cockpit.
Haven't used these since the scrapyard on Braca. Roth gave it to me. So far, so good. Where's that? Let's land. System's failing all over. Got anything? Starting sublight engines. Next one, buddy. Make it to the hangar. Got a bird down. Hold on, BD. Completely fried. We won't be flying again without repairs. Okay, this is us. This must be the outpost. I guess we finally get to see Grease's cantina. Okay. Come on. It's so calm. Bravo would have liked this. Come on, buddy. Long way to go. Okay. So Grease is on the other side of all this? Mind giving me a closer look? That is one big beast. We have our target. Now let's reach it. Last time I saw a Lucrehulk was Braca. A long time ago. Off. What would you say now? Come on. Mantis won't repair itself. So Grease has the parts we need.
go?
Doesn't look like this gate is working. Battle droids. Check it out, BD. These don't look like any separatists I remember. Look, raiders. What has Grace gotten himself into? Nice job. Just look at that thing. Grace sure picked an interesting place to live.
Take a look at that view. Is that a giant crater? Wow. I got it so easy. Yeah.
Forgot how much they talk. Nice work. That'll save some time.
Hold up! Wait, stop!
Rusted, like everything else around here. safe to say these droids have new masters. Sinking. Gotta move. That is a lot of tar. Be careful. This is really not pleasant. Okay, so they explode. Good to know. Doesn't sound good. Stuck ship, huh? Tell me about it. Wish we could help. We're definitely getting closer. I think I see a way out. Just past that creature. Let's keep going.
Who's over there?
All these people going to know what they see the bigger picture. Negative. You don't see it either. But you're a droid. You don't have to. Raider sees. That's why I told them.